The best fireworks show. Today is the last day of 2024. In Kuala Lumpur, there are many areas that have fireworks show like TRX, Sunway Velocity, KLCC, and many more. This year I have chosen Sunway Pyramid, and at the moment they have Singer that will be the entertainer until the clock touch 12 a.m. Also, they have a Pingmin Market that will open until 1 a.m. Look at the crowd, there is so many people it is even hard to walk around. Look at the Santa Claus is clinging at the roof of the building. There is so many food store around and you won't be hungry or thirsty. I'm not sure who is the center on the stage, but I love this song and look at the number of people, you can't even move. Okay, back to the countdown party. Look at the number of cars and people illegal park. I have found my spot and it is time to take off. The purple in color, it is the Pinkfish event that everyone enjoying their rave party and even the famous DJ Armin van Buuren. Let's have a look 360 of the area. Do you notice down the highway there is white light, look like it is super duper jam. This part also jam as well. Get ready for the fireworks show and it will last for 6 minutes. Enjoy the fireworks show and remember to subscribe and comment below what should I explore next. They actually have 4 spots that have fireworks show. So far in my video, I'm able to capture only 3. So enjoy the show, do comment and like my video and subscribe as well.